Hello everyone, welcome to my short video on the reality of application of gamification in education. Here I would like to summarize some key results from the critical review study of the Chief and the Chiva on gamification in education. After hearing so many voices on the benefits of gamification in learning, we need to critically assess how it has been applied in real settings and what are the conclusions to decide our next steps. Okay, first, let's have a look on the distribution of gamification in subjects of studies. As we can see here, among the 51 studies examined, 39 of gamification in learning is applied to computer science and IT courses, where other subjects are limited in using gamification. More than half studies use 3 or more than 3 games elements, which is good. However, when we look at the elements used, it would be disappointing. The most commonly used 5 elements are paints, badges, levels, leaderboards, and progress bars. There is an overuse of PBL, that is points, badges, and levels. Nearly 1/3 of studies used PBL probably because these 3 are the easiest and convenient to add on the convention course elements. Just set a series of points for several levels and giving badges for students who achieve certain points. Then done. Quite easy, right? But the easy application of PBL elements in learning does not seem to guarantee better learning outcomes. In fact, 64 of the studies found inconclusive results and 10% found negative impacts of gamification on learning. Quite sad. Where are all the expected benefits that had been worked well in business and health app? Does gamification really fit educational setting? If we look closer at these 51 studies, we can see that there is inadequate systematic design, no theoretical support, limited use of game elements, and no deeper game elements. It looks like gamification is not deeply integrated with supporting framework. That is probably why inconclusive results were often found. Apart from this, we also have the problems that game elements predominantly apply in certain subjects, like computer science and for college studies. If we are to benefit on gamification to engage learners better, we probably need to consider application in more subjects and targeting more students from kindergarten to high school.